Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another grammar day with English o'clock. आज का टॉपिक हमारा since we have completed in the very last week the entire series of parts of speech जिसमें मैंने आपको 8 parts of speech along with a lot of practice questions solve कराए हैं. आपको DIY as in homework में भी दिए हैं जो आपने I am sure you must have practiced yourself. If you have then एक quick recapitulation करेंगे हम, थोड़ी सी exercises करेंगे और डिस्क्रिप्टिव नहीं कराऊंगी मैं आज, थोड़ा सा बस क्विकली इसको हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. नाउ हमें ये पता है कि पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच हमारे पास 8 है. फर्स्ट वन इज नाउन विच इज नेम प्लेस एनिमल और थिंग. प्रोनाउन इन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन. वर्ब इज एक्शन वर्ड्स. फीलिंग, लाइकिंग, thinking. Adjectives are adding something to the verb or noun. And adverb is adding something to the verb as well as another adverb. Preposition is preposition, which will tell you the position. Conjunction will be conjunction, joining two sentences. Interjection are the word that will tell you the emotion of a particular thing. Right, chaliye, let's start quickly. They attended the concert last week. Attended. What is attended? I'm sure the verb. It's an action. Several cats ran into Rob's garage. So, it is into. Location बता रही है. The truck driver delivered the packages quickly. कैसे packages deliver करें? Quickly. So this is adverb. थोड़ा neatly लिख देती हूँ मैं. Just 1 second. This was my verb. This was my preposition. And this was my adverb. Fast runners won all the awards at the track meet. So runners कैसे हैं? Fast हैं. So this is an adjective, adding something to my noun. और देखो यहाँ पे ly का एक thing भी है. Lys are always adverbs. It's like a trick. My friends and I walked home after school. कब walk करे? Home after the school. So walked, home. ये time बता रहा है. When. So this is adverb. Walking के बारे में बता रहा है ना. ठीक है. I wanted a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch yesterday. And conjunction. She was counting the ballots during social studies class. So it is obviously pronoun. Hey, this is my seat. Interjection. Will they finish the test on time? Pronoun. The diagram was pretty complicated for us. It's a noun. He will practice his music piece soon. कब करेगा? Soon. So this will be again adverb. Reggie saw the awesome sight from the air. Adjective. Telling more about the sight. Now, अब ये थोड़े से क्वेश्चन है, आप खुद प्रैक्टिस करोगे. I'll not be telling you every question. बहुत easy हो जाएगा आपके लिए. You will do it yourself. You will practice yourself. And once you will do it, just share it in the comment section. I'll get back to you and we'll discuss it further. चलिए next है हमारा same. हमने जो underlined है, we need to tell which one is what, like which is what verb. पहला है हमारा for. The happy biker stopped for lunch. अब for क्या है हमारा? It's a preposition, of course. He brought it today for show and tell. We already know that this is a noun. Pronoun. Alan eats a lot of food but he eats very slowly. कैसे खाता है? बहुत slowly खाता है. So verb नहीं है ये मेरी. Very के बारे में पूछा है. ये मेरी adverb है. ठीक है? The moon shines brightly in the night dark sky. So sky है. It is noun. The little girl likes to watch the animals in the forest. अब animals है. Noun. They teach third graders. Teach. कुछ action हो रहा है. Verb. At. Preposition. The 4 teenagers mowed the front lawn and the backyard for just $2. So for, it's my preposition. The little boy reads a big book very slowly. Big book. Adjective. Book के बारे में बता रहे ना. Big book. I walked around the large park extremely slowly. So I is what? Pronoun, of course. ठीक है. Moving on. Next. I bought a beautiful dress at the mall. So beautiful. Dress के बारे में बता रहे. Adjective. What did she ask you to do? Ask, verb, action हो रहा है कोई. I left my shoes under the kitchen table. So shoes, thing है. If we finish our work quickly, कैसे खत्म करेंगे? Work को हम quickly finish करेंगे. On Sundays I study. So this is actually a verb. Action बता रहा है ना. I want to go to the university in Spain. It is noun. I'm sure I've met your girlfriend before. Of course, it's a noun, name, person. I don't think I'll be here to answer answer the phone. Answer, action हो रहा है, verb. The company is doing well. How is the company? It is doing well. Adverb बता रहा है. After lunch we go out. Action हो रहा है again. Animals like kind people. Adding something to the noun. Adding, adjective. Adverb is adding something to the verb. Doing कैसे कर रही है? Well. But लोगों के बारे में kind people. ऐसे इसको ऐसे understand करो. Doing something, doing well. But people here. John and Mary came to visit me. So this is verb. My work is easy. Work. Noun. I work in London. This is again action हो रहा है कुछ. Verb. She speaks quietly. How does she speak? Quietly. So it is an adverb. Verb के बारे में बता रहे. Adding something to the verb. Adding something to the verb. Okay, next. अब ये एक exercise है which you are going to do yourself. Try doing it yourself. करोगे तो better होगा थोड़ा सा. आपने बस pick करके इसको put करना है. Which will come in which part, like that. For example, हम reward. Try करो to put it in a sentence. I would give you a reward. Something text में, मतलब something intangible. For example, I say assist, helping somebody. तो ये मेरी verb हो गई. ठीक है? समझ पाए? ओके, नेक्स्ट. बस मैं एक एक ट्राई करके आपको बता रही हूँ. He is a heartwarming fellow. Adjective. ठीक है, ऐसे करके आपको सारे इसमें फिट करने हैं. You have to try yourself. It's a very easy exercise. Same process. Once you do it, share it in the comment section. I'll discuss. Moving on. Beautiful dress. What kind of a dress it is? It's a beautiful dress. So that means it is an adjective. Correct. Play. Verb hai. My shoes. Noun. If I finish my homework. Noun. On Mondays I study. Verb hai. Soft. Adjective. Strong. Adjective. Spider-Man. Noun. Red. Adjective. I study after school. Action hai. Wash your hands. Noun. Listen to music. Action हो रहा है. ठीक है? I hope that you have been able to revise properly parts of speech. अब हम very soon parts of speech करने के बाद हम tenses को pick करेंगे. So make sure you are very regular to my channel. You are not skipping any videos. आप regularly videos देख रहे हो. कल मैं एक overview करूँगी of all the 12 tenses because I believe that parts of speech के बाद tenses is one thing जिसका base होना बहुत strong होना is very important. You need to have a very strong base for tenses because it's like a foundation for everything, just like parts of speech was. Okay, chalo. On this note, I'm going to end my video here. I am hopeful that all of you are liking my series. You have been regular to my YouTube channel. If you are, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to see you tomorrow with another educational video. Till then, bye-bye.